Hi friends, so expiry day today, and let me tell you what a day it was, unexpected, and the most important day went on very beautifully for most of you traders. I believe today was also the last expiry of the month, so I was little bit cautious. I trailed my profits very aggressively. That is why I could not make good big profits for today. Otherwise it would have been a very good profit because market was one sided. It was just going down from the start, but I missed it. I missed the rally, I should say. I just trailed tightly, and I'll show you how I did my trade analysis for today. So friends, before that, let me just tell you, when I was learning option selling, when I was mastering option selling and all those things, I used to watch many YouTubers who do their live trades on Thursdays expiries. Do you know that many people survive only on expiries? Those who survive only by trading expiries, because expiry will give you the required returns profits for the entire month. So then I used to follow them, observe them, learn how they're doing the analysis and all those things, and that is why I was able to make myself more capable in doing option selling, learning the art of adjustments and all those things. And I improved my style of trading, especially on Thursdays. So on Thursdays I am more of a discretionary trader than a system trader. Rest of the days, most of the time, I do system trading, and Thursdays I have the liberty to do this little bit of discretionary trading. And discretionary means it's like no clear cut rules. You just follow few systems, and accordingly, based on your analysis of the market, you can take your directions of the market. But Thursdays market will really forgive you even if you do a little bit of mistakes. That is because of the decay effect which is there, theta decay effect which is there. That is why I recommend you also, you people also, to just try it out. Just try to learn the art of adjustments. That is why I'm trying to give you this live analysis. And there are many channels on YouTube as well, those who give this live analysis, so you can just go through them as well. So in this video I will try to explain how I did my analysis, what was my thought process, how was that I took my risk, how was that I step by step increased my positions. All those things you learn in this video, so stay tuned till end of the video. And if you really like the video, I humbly recommend you to please press the like button. So do you need me to give time to press the like button? Hope you will do it. Please press the like button and also the subscribe button. Without wasting much time, let's look into today's video. Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. You can see the two big green bars, which is, always when there is a gap up and when there's a green candle, I really feel so very happy. Not that because market is going up, it's not because my investments are there. The main reason is because the VIX. Okay, so VIX will not increase. There will not be much panic in the market. That is the main intention why many people get. They always look into the VIX as well. It's very important you look into the VIX, and accordingly you can decide whether you have to be very aggressive or not. So this is the point number one which you have to learn for today. So depending on the market initial momentum itself, we can understand whether you should go full in, whether you should start going very small quantity, or whether you should go with medium quantity, or you can go very aggressively. So all these things you can decide by market morning itself. Well, okay. So then next point for me, next assignment for me is, so next thing which I have to find out is the area of support and resistance at which we can expect the market to bounce back, right? Okay, so let me just draw the levels. So I can see, as of now, I can see the previous day market has bounced back at 38,400 level. So I'm just marking a point at 38,400. So you can see that clear cut, it has bounced at this level. Okay, and then when it comes to the lower level, 38,000 is going to be a very good figure. Okay, because 38,000 is a round figure and you can expect a lot of people having good positions at that level. So this is going to be a good range as well, and also this is going to be a good channel because we can see clear cut support and clear cut resistance at this level. So accordingly I am just marking both my positions. So you can see it's not very much big enough. Okay, so let us look into the open interest as well. So when we look into the open interest, apart from the nearby strikes which are there, okay, that is, you can see 38,000 has got the highest tower. So I call this tower, just directly when you look into it, you'll understand the OI change has got the highest at this particular point. So then it is enough for us to decide that there is going to be a lot of support at this level of 38,000. And when we look into the call change and the put change, it's almost the same. So we can hopefully expect a sideways movement, or otherwise if the range is breaking, we can go for a directional view. That is the overall picture which I'm ready mentally before I enter my trades. So accordingly what happens is, like, you can place your directional trades and non-directional trades on your expiry day. So if market is moving around in this non-directional range, in this particular range, then non-directional strategies will give you excellent profit. So accordingly, I can allocate more funds towards non-directional trading. So by non-directional trading, I mean is that I play with the combined stop losses kind of strategies, straddles. That is what I do. Okay, and then if at all it is breaking the direction, then we can go naked in your call or put based on the how market has moved. Okay, so that is how we plan for our day and plan for our expiry as well. Okay, so as of now, market was almost moving silently, patiently. So I just started adding quantities. So I have not entered full fledged. I have just taken strangles, not even straddles. So usually on Thursdays I go with straddles, but today being the last expiry, and also I'm already my profit targets have been achieved for this month, so I don't want to go very aggressively. So what I'm doing is I'm starting with strangles. I just played very safely, so that I don't give up on whatever I have made this entire month, whatever I've struggled and made this entire month. I don't want to give up. Okay, friends. So this is how it is all about. Perfect plan, perfect expiry, and we just have to patiently wait. Okay. Now comes the point which I had mentioned to you very clearly. 38,000 is going to be a very good support, and you can rightly see market is struggling to break this level. Super trend has already shown you, it has already come down and shown you indication that it is ready to go down, but 38,000 is still not breached. So we can't just blindly jump and take all our positions and make ourselves naked as of now. That is why I was cautiously trying to reduce the puts and increase the calls, and I'll just show you exactly how is that I have done. Okay, so but this is what I was talking about. We need to find out initially the areas of support and resistance, and market will really obey it, because that is how always market is, right? And yeah, so you can see 1 2 3 4, almost 4 5 times market has reversed from this level, and you can see rightly what I have done as well. I am having almost neutral positions, but call are on the higher side because I am expecting bank nifty to go down, but still I have maintained puts as well, because I don't want to go completely naked as of now, because that support has to break and it has to go down. Okay, so if at all you observe the quantities, the calls are more as of now than the puts, because it's almost come near to our area of breakout. If it goes down from here, if it breaks out from here, then obviously I can go full-fledged naked with call, but there are chances of reversal as well. That is why I have maintained equal quantity of both, but slightly calls are on the higher side. Okay, so that is how the plan is. Okay, so now let us continue and see if at all if bank nifty is breaking out. Okay, so rightly now you can see that bank nifty has started to break the support whichever was there, and it is going down. So this is what I was exactly telling you, this level, if it breaks and if it starts going down, you can see that we are in very good profits, and you can see that I almost started reducing all my puts. I am majorly with calls, and I started adding puts as well. I started options buying in the next week contract. Okay, because today is expiry, I don't want to take options buying in this week expiry. So I started taking options buying in next week expiry as well, and then obviously sell positions are there. You can see the sells are on the higher side, and I've just left with still only one put position, because I don't want to take entire risk if at all if there's any reversal. But the way it looks like, bank nifty is completely going down, and then if at all it continues to go down, we will be in very good lottery. So you can see as of now our profits are increasing slow by slow, and yeah. So friends, time is close to 12 o'clock now, and you can see bank nifty has continued its downward rally. It is just going down, and then since its last expiry, I told you I don't want to take much risk. So what I decided was I will start trailing tightly with the super trend. Okay, so this super trend is the 10,2 super trend which I was following. 10,2 is usually followed on Thursdays, because the ATR also won't be much high, so I keep it only for Thursdays. Otherwise I follow 10,3. So I started following aggressively with this trailing stop loss. In case if bank nifty touches or crosses this level, I'll exit my positions, because I am completely naked as of now. I am completely so I'll just show you my positions. Okay, you can see almost we have crossed 1,40,000 rupees, and the put buying also has given us good profits, and I'm having only directional trades as of now. So it's very important that I maintain my strict stop losses. Okay, so so I was just tightly waiting for super trend to cross, I mean prices to cross the super trend, and then you can see around 12:30 I had to close my position. I just quickly closed all my positions. I'll just show you the chart, you understand. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. The super trend crossed, and the price crosses the super trend. It suddenly gave a small upper breakout, so then I immediately closed all my position because I was completely naked. I was going aggressively down, but after that again Bank Nifty continued to go down, and I can see there's one more spike which happened at around 2 o'clock. Hope nobody would have lost money in that, but nevertheless it was a very good expiry. As you can see, it was just going in one way direction only. Okay, so this was the point which I was talking about. There was a slight spike, and apart from this this 2 o'clock spike which was there, apart from that, it is a very, I should say, very decent, very good expiry, and no other problem. And this is how I did my analysis for today. And friends, you must take the challenges on Thursdays. You can try to be a bit aggressive. If at all you want to take leave, you can try taking leave on Thursdays also. Just a small recommendation from my side. I'm not telling you that everyone should jump into it, but then start trading a small quantity using discretionary trading as well, because Thursdays market, as I told you, will forgive you even in case if your analysis is wrong. Because of the theta decay, you can catch it up. So try giving a shot at it. Option selling on Thursdays, do good adjustments, aggressive adjustments. You can make good profits, and you don't need have to trade any other day as well. Just 4 Thursdays if you trade, and if you're making 1% every week also, you can make 4% for the month, and it will be very good returns for the entire month. 4% for the month. Yeah, and that's it for today in this video. Hope you like the video, and people, as I told you, please do press the like button in case if you really like the video. And thank you for watching once again. Thank you and have a nice day.